I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Ford Mondeo. So from any screen, if we just click on nav, if it's already on map, you can just knock the nav button again. Then you've got destination input. And as usual with Ford, everything is easy to do, nice and simple, intuitive and so on. So you've got city and postcode there. Click on city and postcode. And here we go. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatneydale, Preston. And it's Marsbell fingers, PR. Again, intuitive. The numbers have automatically come up. 4, and then back to letters J, S. OK button there. But some sat navs, if there's only 2 numbers in the postcode, you have to put a space in. But as I say, this does it already. So here we go. Calculate route to city centre. You can put a number in, but if you're anything like me, you just need to get there or thereabouts. And
continue to follow the road.
That's it. That's how you program the sat nav.